Integration errors on MyFitnessPal can be frustrating, but they can often be resolved with a few simple steps. Follow this guide to troubleshoot and fix these issues quickly. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. A weak or unstable connection can cause integration errors. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue persists. Step 2. Update the app. Make sure you are using the latest version of MyFitnessPal. Go to your device's App Store, search for MyFitnessPal, and check if there is an update available. Download and install any updates. Step 3. Reconnect integrations. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Clear app cache. Clearing the app cache can resolve many issues. On your device, go to Settings, find MyFitnessPal, and select the option to clear cache. Restart the app afterward. Step 5. Contact support. If the problem persists after trying the above steps, reach out to MyFitnessPal support. Provide them with details about the error and any troubleshooting steps you have already taken for more tailored assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve integration errors on MyFitnessPal efficiently. If issues continue, don't hesitate to seek further help from customer support.